Understanding brake noise, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, brake noise. This is a phrase you might encounter in everyday conversations, especially if you're talking about cars or vehicles. By the end of this video, you'll understand not only what this phrase means, but also how to use it in a sentence. Let's dive in. Brake noise refers to any sound that comes from a vehicle's braking system. These noises can vary. Some common types of brake noises include squeaking, grinding, or clicking sounds. It's important to note that brake noise usually suggests a problem or a need for maintenance. Let's break down the common types of brake noises. 1. Squeaking. This is often caused by wear and tear on the brake pads. 2. Grinding. This sound may indicate that the brake pads are worn down completely. 3. Clicking. This could suggest a mechanical issue with the braking system. Each type of noise can indicate a different issue with the brakes. Now, let's look at how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. I took my car to the mechanic because I kept hearing a strange brake noise. During the car inspection, they found that the brake noise was due to worn-out pads. Notice how the phrase is used to describe a problem with the vehicle that needs attention. When using brake noise, remember, it's specifically about the noise from brakes, not general car noises. Don't confuse it with brake noise, as brake has a different meaning. I hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase brake noise confidently in your English conversations. It's a handy term, especially if you find yourself discussing vehicles or driving. Remember, language learning is all about practice, so try using this phrase next time you talk about cars. See you in the next video.